If you're trying to figure out how to coordinate freelancers with One Project Hub, this is the only video you need. I've tested the most popular platforms, and by the end of this 3-minute guide, you'll have a clean, simple setup to manage your freelancers, keep tasks organized, and avoid endless back and forths. Plus, if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial in the description, only available through my channel. Let's get straight into it. First, the reason most people fail to effectively coordinate freelancers is because they don't centralize everything. Messages are scattered across emails, Slack, WhatsApp, files are in Dropbox, Google Drive, maybe even WeTransfer, and task tracking is done in spreadsheets, if at all. That's chaos. You need a single source of truth, One Project Hub. The software we'll be using does 3 things really well. It lets you assign tasks clearly, store files in context, and keep conversations directly tied to each project or deliverable. Start by creating a workspace. This is your digital HQ. Every freelancer you invite will only see the projects they're assigned to, so you don't have to worry about overwhelming them with info they don't need. Next, create a project for whatever you're working on. Maybe it's a video campaign, a website build, or a client deliverable. Inside that project, you can break things down into tasks. Be specific. Instead of saying write blog post, label it, draft 800-word blog post on retirement tax strategies. Now assign that task to your writer, set a due date, and, here's the kicker, add context. You can attach briefs, links, files, or notes right there, so your freelancer doesn't need to message you 3 times just to get started. Repeat that for every task across design, writing, editing, whatever roles you've outsourced. And since it's all in one hub, your freelancers can ask questions, upload finished work, and mark tasks complete without leaving the platform. To avoid micromanaging, use status labels like to do, in progress, review, and done. It's a visual way to see where everything's at without needing constant check-ins. And for ongoing work, duplicate your project templates. Saves time and keeps your structure consistent across all future campaigns or client jobs. One quick tip, use the built-in calendar view to spot bottlenecks or overdue tasks early. It helps you reassign or reprioritize before things slip through the cracks. Now the key takeaway, if you are managing more than one freelancer, a single project hub isn't optional, it's essential. It saves you time, keeps communication clean, and helps your freelancers deliver better work faster. To recap, create a central workspace, set up individual projects, assign clear tasks with context, use statuses to track progress, and keep everything in one place. That's how to coordinate freelancers with One Project Hub. And if you want to try the exact software I'm using, the exclusive free trial link is in the description below, only available to viewers of my channel. It's quick to set up and makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching. Now go organize your team like a pro.